Good morning. Today we are going to see a judgment regarding insurance and what all are the duties of the person who insures, to know about what all are the conditions imposed on you, unilateral contract. But when something had happened and some third party, means relatives dependent of the insured person, approaches an advocate, so it is duty of the advocates at least to go through the terms and conditions of insurance policy on which we are going to claim compensation. That will help you. Another aspect is, in this judgment, a lesson was taught that how alcoholism, heavy drinking may result denial of a claim of insurance. All this aspect has been discussed in the judgment. Kindly go through the judgment. AR 2021, Supreme Court 1541. Narbada Devi versus HP State Forest. The one thing you should understand that this is Consumer Protection Act, Section 1112, Insurance Act, Section 4 of 1938, Section 45, Insurance Claim. Then they have Employees Compensation Act, 8 up to 1923. All these things have been discussed. The case was very interesting. Om Prakash, employee of the respondent Forest Service, he was went to one place to other place, forest guard. If there was heavy rain, then on the morning, the deceased was found in helpless condition around 9 a.m. smelling alcohol. When the Chowkidar Mohan Singh saw the deceased, he called the forest sub-inspector. The deceased was removed to quarter of Chandra Mohan. Over there, he was given hot water, bath, and massaged. However, he subsequently died. Thereafter, actually, the claim was post-mortem report says there was no injury on any part of the disease. Further, the cause of death was asphyxia, regurgitation of food articles into larynx and trachea. So this was what had happened. The urine was tested and that was also found substantial dose to go deep sleep was given opinion. Then the Janata Personal Accident Insurance Scheme was there. There his employer made him the group insured. Therefore, they have filed a claim application. Then they say the District Consumer Forum, it was filed, and thereafter the District Consumer Forum not they have stated insured amount of they have directed to pay insurance amount of 2 lakhs to the appellant. Then thereafter they seem to have gone on appeal to State Commission, where State Commission has said they have modified the District Forum order to the extent that the liability set out will be that of a state, not the insurance company. So that was also National Commission, by allowing the revision petition, has given some finding. And finally, Supreme Court has given these things. Then one important judgment was also discussed here, wherein the Jamuna Devi case was discussed, wherein Jamuna Devi case, the Jamuna Devi's husband insurance policy simply said death. They did not, that insurance policy did not say accidental death or some other death. Therefore, that case was could not be applied here in this case. They have said that is 2002 3 CPJ 64 NC, Insurance National Commission Report, Jamuna Devi. Then the Supreme Court has said that since since he has independently applied for compensation under Employees Compensation Act, being died during the employment, during the course of employment, or while on duty. That was independently he was sanctioned. But the other two aspects, the Supreme Court has negativated, stating that the death was not accidental death. Therefore, he was not liable for compensation. Another thing, the liability of the respondent, Himachal Pradesh Forest Department. They say the Himachal Pradesh Forest Department acted as a mediator only. Therefore, they are not liable to pay, because the ground taken by the council was that they did not mention this factor to the employee, that he is only entitled for my insurance only on the ground of accidental death. That there may not be any logic for that argument to take it as sensible argument. However, some efforts are being made by the advocates to help the people at financial losses due to the death of, but unfortunately the employee, he seems to be alcoholic, that resulted his death. Therefore, they say insurance should cover death. They say the Supreme Court has said insurance communication should cover the death due to type of accident, including road, natural calamities like landslides, floods, drowning, tree falling, avalanches, etc. So they want these should be included, all these things in the insurance. So kindly go through the judgment, and if somebody, the public interest litigation, wanted to file for public interest litigation, get right to information act from the insurance companies, all the insurance company, or the supreme governing authority of all these supreme, whether they have included the accidental death, the other categories directed by the Supreme Court in these given cases, so that in future something, then otherwise the Supreme Court or other courts, national commissions are to apply extensive interpretation only. That's why that I stated already again and again that the equipped will, privileged will, should be extended to so many other areas also, because Indian Succession Act is very old act. Several areas are, even according to me, instead of procedure for filing probation, letter of probation and letter of administration, it is far better that it should be from the very beginning, it should be treated as a civil proceedings, and there will be a preliminary degree and final degree. Some suitable amendment to the CPC, and also this area of Indian Succession Act, where letter of administration, succession certificate, and letter of administration without will, letter of administration with will, letter of probation, all these things. That time during when the Indian Succession Act was enacted, the entire thing was prevailing differently. But this nowadays, the properties are very restricted, liabilities are very restricted, except in few extra. Even there, for that, normally TOS and TOP, instead of filing TOP original petitions, there is possibility of why there may be after granting letter of administration, if the courts held that is not sufficient for title, then it is far better that suit degree may be granted after appreciation of evidence, and whatever may be, that will be far better. Like that, insurance also, there should be for permanent Lok Adalat, insurance one of the scheduled subject, you can straight away file litigations case before the permanent local adalat as a pre-litigation case. Best